Magaling si Noah, ang galing. Ha, nag-hiking si Noah. Wow, ang galing. Oh.
Ganda ng Kyrgyzstan. Yeah. Woo!
Bigyan ko muna yung nag-video yung love na lag yung anak ko yan.
Thank you po.
That's poop. Horse poop. Welcome to Kyrgyzstan! Yay!
Happy birthday!
Noah!
10 minutes is house.
Huh?
100 son.
Huh? 400?
10 minutes. 200 son.
200?
Yes.
200 ka na, mami. 10 minutes.
200! What are we gonna do? Oh, darn it.
Yeah. How many more moments?
Wait na.
You first?
Oh, just we will walk.
First there. After.
Not ready. Other part, no?
No, later. After.
Stay, guys.
Sintas mo na eh.
Horse, you horsey.
Why? I need the car. That.
Ito na naman, maglalakad na naman kami ni Noah. Papunta doon. Oh, ganda. Oh, maglakad muna kami. Ang ganda ng nature dito. Grabe.
Take the frog.
You want to walk? Noah here? You walk muna ah. Oh. Thank you, Nak. Ay, ni Noah doon sa taas.
В паспорте именно должно быть так
Hindi
написано.
namin pinatay.
Если в паспорте
Akyat kami. Mga nature lover. Dito maganda oh. Ganda. Sa banda dun yung mga bundok. Eh, kwan, nag-i-snow. Yan. Ayun, si mami niya. Puro lakad-lakad dito. Punta na kayo doon. Hindi ko kaya, kayo na lang. Ang sakit ng kuwan ko. Parang makukuan yung kidney ko. Ang hirap pagbat na yung bata. Ah?
Sinanay mo kasi siya.
Daddy, yung phone ko nga.
Oh naman. Noah.
Sa taas.
Grabe ka naman.
Noah, we will not swim if you will not go walking. No, there is a swimming pool there up. Let's go, come on. We will swim. Come.
Okay.
There, oh see, the uncle he already take a bath. Swim already. Papag. Mami, kasi kung inano na sa akin.
Doon na lang sa banda doon, mas malapit. Matarik. Ayun na, dyan sila, oh, dyan.
Kaya nga, walang kahirap-hirap. Narito.
Kayo!
Wala ka papag yun.
O, dahan-dahan ka na, wa. Takot lang dito. Grabe, ang tarik. Pag sa bata ba? Oh. You can do it, Noah? Ha? You can do it?
Butterfly.
Butterfly, yeah. Magaling si Noah, ang galing. Ha, nag-hiking si Noah. Wow, ang galing. Oh. Diyan kami pupunta sa my falls. Diyan, ang ganda. Oh. You can do it, Noah? Here, beside.
I got my rock.
Huh? No need rock. We have there in our car.
Ito, dami makinig. Kamat.
Oh.
Kamat. Iway kamat.
Oh. Wow! Yan na Noah. Ay!
Ay!
Maliligo na. No. We will not take a bath here. You will see the fountain, the falls there. Oh, ang ganda. No, we cannot swim here. Kita. Oh, nag-swimming na siya. Oh.
Ay,
rubber tree.
Rubber tree. Ito pala ang rubber tree. Oh. Oh, ang sa akin.
Daddy, gusto ko ganito pero pa-center.
Ha?
Ay, ganito sana po.
Sentro.
Kami.
Daddy!
Ito mami si picture mo may nagpangit. May
Hindi ko alam.
Dahil dito ang ganda.
Ako nga rin. Yay! Ganda! Ganda ng Kyrgyzstan! Yeah! Woo! Ganda! Dito, pauwi na tayo. Bigyan ko muna yung nag-video yung love na love kong anak ko yun.
Thank you po. What you want? To look at me. No.
Papalayo sana.
Grandpa Shake. Grandpa Shake. Daddy, can you go down? To go down. I want to go down.
Okay na po.
Mommy, I want to go.
Say hello, Noah. Say, how are you?
Daddy, body donkey.
Yan si Bea, si Noah, takbo ng takbo. Ayun si Mami, natatae. Ay, naiihi pala. Kala ko natatae.
Daddy, can I have my phone?
Andito na. Yan na.
Daddy, I want some weapon.
Weapon.
Yeah,
Check some weapon there.
I found that.
You found?
I found the bigger one.
Oh, that's a poop. Poop of the horse. That is poop horse.
Follow me, my friend. Over here, my friend. This is my home.
What you will tell to them? What you will tell to them? Hi.
Daddy,
How are you?
how are you?
Say hi. Ay, no, don't go inside, Noah. Only here. Go inside. Hop. Oh, ganda. Ayan yung mga horse. Look, Noah, a lot of horse. Oh. Ganda. Say hi. That's poop. Horse poop.
Take a picture. Look at.
Noah, hello.
I got her.
Okay. Okay. Say hello. Welcome to Kyrgyzstan, Noah. Welcome to Kyrgyzstan. Sige na. Ang galing. Okay. Okay. We'll go there and then finish. I'm the one now. Oh, stop. Stop. It's okay.
Go down, Noah. Daddy, kunin mo na yun.
Me alone? It's okay. You will not run? I don't know.
Hindi po, sasama siya.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh. Oh. Ah, this
Daddy!
Hindi ko nakita.
Ano?
Спасибо, девушка. Mami, 300 ka no pagka dalawa kami ni Noah. Ay pa muna. Ha? Yeah, it's okay. Well, baby.
Welcome to Kyrgyzstan! Yay!